Hey guys, it's SoundKiller here yet again with another vital tutorial, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make some really cool bass one-shots that sound like the popular artists Riot, Barely Alive, and the Disciple Gang. But before we get started, I want to take a brief moment and talk about the channel sponsor, Black Lotus Audio. So if you haven't been subscribed to the channel or haven't been up to date with my latest tutorials, Black Lotus Audio is the recent channel sponsor, and they have some really cool stuff coming out, which is the Horizon drum pack, and they're doing an awesome giveaway for your drum pack. All you gotta do is go to the website, which will be linked down in the description, enter for free to have a chance to win the drum pack, which will be releasing very soon. So details down in the description. Thank you for Black Lotus Audio for sponsoring this video, and let's go into the tutorial. So here in Vital, I have here the initialized preset, which is just a saw. Nothing basic. I want to turn down the release because I find it a bit annoying. And I want to make some of those really cool bass one-shots that we tend to do, say, with Serum. But I notice when I crank up the voices, turn down the phase, it doesn't sound quite right. I can go into advanced and turn down the stereo unison. But this doesn't sound quite right. And that's because I have to right click under the unison and set the power ratio to 0. And that sounds way more to what we're used to working with. So I think 82 seems fairly good. So I'm just gonna create here a little curve, something simple, have it to 1/8 and have it set to envelope. Now I'm gonna route this to the filter here, so I'm gonna set it to the high pass mode by dragging here the blend. I want to beat a bit of that resonance peak, and I'm gonna set it around here and high pass it. And maybe have the LFO control a bit of the resonance as well, so it sounds a bit more resonant at the peak. And we can add a parallel filter to this, and we can add a little notch here. So let's create this little notch. Something like that. Maybe we could add a LFO curve to this as well. And it sounds very, very nice. So now what I want to do is I want to add a bit of distortion, so I'm going to drag that to the top. And add some OTT to this. Turn down the mix just a teeny bit because I don't want too much OTT. Add a one shot here of delay, so it creates a little bounce echo. So I'm gonna have it at 0%, just so that it's just one reflection. And have it at 1/16. Stereo. And some reverb as well, just to give it a bit of space. Now I want to add another filter here. I'm going to drag it up to the top, and I'm going to create a comb here. So let's start with the high comb and see what that does. And I want to have it go up. Yeah, I really like how that sounds. So I can control the cutoff here. I think controlling. Yeah, that sounds really cool. Maybe we can also automate here. Sounds a bit quiet. And we can also add a sub here. Let's have this go directly out. And here I'm gonna do one more thing. And I'm gonna something like this. And now we can start playing around. For example, set it down and create that cool little we can start playing around here, maybe change up the alpha a little bit. Maybe had this to be 24. Instead of analog, maybe 30. We can just try different filter modes. Just to see. I like this ladder filter with the digital notch. We can add a macro here just to control the amount. As well as here as a detune. So you can just start naming these detune, sync. We can create a macro here for the size of the sound. So this one can be the wet. And we can create a filter here which controls I don't feel like this is doing much, but the overall idea. Whoops. Can also add a little bit of white noise just to fill up the sound a little bit more. And there we have that little Riot trappy style bass one shot, which you can make really cool things. You can use it as a offbeat pluck. You can use it as a rhythm, so you can use it as layer to have it instead of be the hi-hat. This Riot did it in the live stream, so you can just make really fast notes with this to create a rhythm. You can play around a little bit with the LFO here, and you can really change up the sound a little bit here. And it's really simple sound to create. It's nothing too complex. It's a simple saw wave there with some sync, some filtering, a little bit of processing there in the effects tab of the Vital. Nothing too crazy. It creates this really nice, useful bass tone for your music. And you can change so many things, just changing the shape here of this really dramatically affects the tone. So I've saved that preset, and it's going to be linked also in the description right next to the Black Lotus audio giveaway contest. So I want to talk again about Black Lotus audio and this awesome giveaway. So Black Lotus audio is currently hosting a drum pack giveaway for your new pack Horizon, which is an amazing dubstep drum pack for your music production suite. It's a very nice general drum pack filled with kicks, snares, cymbals, some drum loops, toms, and it will fit very well with your production arsenal. It's a very nice sorted drum pack. You can check out the demo that is linked in the website at the giveaway. So if you guys want to check out and try and win one of 3 copies of the drum pack before its release, definitely enter the contest, which is linked down in the description. Anyways, hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching, and until next time.